Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to discuss about how you can optimize Fortnite for maximum FPS boost and how you can increase your FPS in any game. So now let's go to the PC and I will guide you how you can do that step by step. As a first solution, go to the toolbar here, right click on it and click on Task Manager. Go to Details, increase the page size, and here you will see the list of the apps that are currently running in your system. You would be surprised how many apps are currently running, and that would definitely slow your FPS. Now you need to look at memory column and see how much each app is currently using from the memory of your hard disk or SSD. And now you need to unload any app that you don't really need. So you can start checking it one by one. The one that you don't really need, what you need to do, just click on it and then right click and click on End Task and then click on End Process. Once this is done, you unload your SSD or hard disk from the memory that is being used by this app, and that will increase your FPS boost. Now let's go and apply second solution. Go to the search toolbar and type background app. Click on it. And here you will see the list of apps that are running in the background of your system. You will see that there are so many and probably many of them have never been used. So what you need to do, you can just put off the ones that you are not using. Let's say, for example, Cortana, just put it off, or Disney. As you can see, many apps probably you never have even knew that it is in your system. Okay, so you just can put it off, or if you want to put all of them off, just click on this button here and all of them will be turned off. That would definitely increase your FPS boost, but if you don't want to turn them all off, just choose the one that you don't need. This is the second solution. The third solution, go to the search toolbar again and type delete temporary files. Click on it. Here you can go to temporary files. As you can see, I have 5.34 GB of temporary files. Click on it and then click on remove files. Now you are unloading unnecessary files in your system, and that would have a direct effect on increasing your FPS boost, because the less data you have on a hard drive or SSD, your system will run faster. So unload from your system whichever you do not really need. Now let's go to solution number 4. For that, go to the search toolbar and type CMD. Command prompt will appear. Click on Run as Administrator. So now I will put two commands to decrease the ping. These commands, I will put them in the video description for you to copy and paste them. The first one is netsh space int space ip space reset space c 2 dots slash resetlog.txt. Enter. This is the first one. The second one is netsh winsock space reset. Enter. You need to restart your computer for these codes to take effect. This is now solution number 4. Let's now apply solution number 5. So I'm gonna close these windows and then go to the search toolbar and type Task Manager. Click on Run as Administrator. Double click on it. Click on Performance tab. And here you need to check how many days your computer has not been turned off, completely turned off. If you see, sometimes you see 6 days, maybe 2 days, 10 days. If you see that your computer has not been turned off for a long time, you need to make sure to turn it off frequently when you don't need it. Shut it down. If in case you are shutting it off every day when you are not using it, but still you are seeing many days that it is on, what you need to do in this case, go to the search toolbar and type power and sleep. Click on it, and here on the right hand side, click on additional power settings. On the left hand side, choose what the power button does. And here, if turn on fast startup is selected, and when you shut down your PC, still when you check it in your system, it is put that it is running, then you need to deselect this one, because this button, let's see the description, this helps start your PC faster after shutdown. So what does it mean? Some apps does not shut down completely when you shut down your PC. That's why selecting this button helps your PC restart faster after shutdown. In this case, what you need to do, click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on that and then you can deselect this option. Deselect it and check if your PC is taking a lot of time to boot. If it's not taking a lot of time, then keep it deselected. But in case it is taking a lot of time, then come back here and select it again and just apply the rest of the options that you have to increase your FPS boost. Once this is done, click on save changes and then now let's apply solution number 6. Go to the search toolbar and type control panel. Click on it. Go to category and change it to large icons. Look for power options and click on it. Click on create a power plan. Click on high performance. Click on next. And here, since we have put the PC on high performance, that may consume more energy, you can use this button to reduce that consumption. Put the computer to sleep. So when you are not using the computer during the day, you can just put how many minutes when the computer is not being used will go to sleep and then click create. So now solution number 6 is done. Let's start solution number 7. Go to the search toolbar and type notifications and action setting. Click on it. Here you can see all these notifications. Having many notifications can slow down your system and reduce your FPS. So what you can do, just deselect the ones that you don't really need. You can go through them. And here are the rest of all these notifications. You can deselect the ones that you don't need. Now solution number 7 is done. Solution number 8, go to the search toolbar and type %temp percentage. Click on this file which appears as a best match. Increase the dimensions of this page and then select and delete all. Right click and click on delete. Some files you need administrator permission to delete them. You can just skip these files. You will still have a few files here, but don't worry about them. Most of the files would have been deleted. Solution 7 now is done. Let's go and apply solution number 8. Minimize this page, minimize all these pages, and then go to recycle bin. Right click on it and click on empty recycle bin. Yes, as you can see, there is thousands of files that currently are deleted and that will definitely have a big boost on the FPS. Now solution 9 is completed. Let's now apply solution number 10. Go to the toolbar here, right click on it and click on task manager. Increase the dimension of this page. Go to startup. Now this is a list of apps that starts running when you boot up your system, when you turn on your PC. Take a look at them and check the ones that you don't really need and put them on disable. So let's say, for example, I'm gonna choose Skype, select it, right click on it and click on disable. So this app won't run when you boot up your system. The more you disable apps from running on boot up, that will definitely increase your FPS. This is solution 10 is done now. Let's now apply solution number 11. Go to the search toolbar and type local disk. Click on this PC, then click on local disk. Increase the dimension of this window. Here, right click on local disk C, which is the C drive, right click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on disk cleanup, and then click on delete files. So now disk cleanup is completed and solution 11 is done. Let's now go and apply solution 12, which is the last solution to increase your FPS boost. You can stay on the same window here, click on tools. And here you need to click on check and that will check the drive for file system errors. So if there is any errors, it will try to resolve them and that will have an effect on your system performance. So click on check and then click on scan drive. If you are running on hard disk, that will take a lot of time to be completed. You need to wait until it is 100% completed. If you are on SSD, that will take a few minutes to be done. Once this is done, you would have been completed 12 steps to give your FPS a boost. Now close this window and then restart your PC and start playing your games. With that, I have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If this video have helped you, make sure to give it a super thanks by liking it and subscribing to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.